to those who is new to Dear Face, can you tell us more about Beauty Bean Choco Mallows?
Yes! Well, ayan, kayo ang unang makakaalam. And first time in Dear Face history, nakukuha kami ng male endorser! Grabe! Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, sobrang sulit ang punta nyo kasi simula pa lang talaga ng plans namin for JM and Fiang. And yun nga, diba, kanina, sinasabi ko sa inyo, super deserve nila yung spot na kung nasaan sila ngayon dahil super humble nila at saka mababait na tao talaga sila. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun din yung nakita namin backstage. So, ayun. So, yung Choco Mallows kasi, na-discover din ni JM kay Fiang. So, madami kasi kami pinadala kay Fiang and pinainom niya yung iba. And sabi nga namin, first time namin magkakaroon ng face for Choco Mallows and super perfect si JM for that.
Wow, bongga naman. Pero ito naman, question for you, JM, no? How did you discover Dear Face Beauty Bean Choco Mallows at kailan ka nag-start uminom nito?
Since nakuha ko yung itong pelikula ng project, kailangan ko kasing magpalim ng katawan, at least magmukha akong teenager. So, kinakailangan ko ng mga supplement na may protein. Tama? And alam mo naman, kapag may yung ibang whey protein, marami kasing side effect yun, like breakouts, ganun. And ito, ang pinakang sinadya sa akin, well, honestly, itong Dear Face na Choco Mallows. And, ayan po, sige, dahil kay Fiang din.
Wow, and sobra naman pala, no? Congratulations po, not just by kay Fiang, but also to JM for exciting collaboration with Dear Face. Palakpakan naman natin!
Ang dami talagang dapat nabangan from Dear Face and of course, from Fiang and JM. Kaya tutok lang po kayo mga Dearies and Besties.
Kaya naman, besties and dear bosses, ito na po ang pinaka-inaabangang moment natin tonight. We've seen all your entries and sobrang pong napawaw ang aming mga hurado.
Yes.
And ang daming glow-up moments tonight, Kevin.
Correct, Ai. And now, let's give it up for our 5 winners ng ating Winning Glow Photo Contest. Each winner will get a selfie opportunity po with Fiang. And this time, nandito rin si JM, di ba? Sobrang swerte nyo during our meet and greet session. Kaya get ready, di ba?
Please direct your eyes on the screen at ang ating first winner ay...
Walang iba kundi si ASFP_GIL_. Congratulations sa'yo!
Next winner ay si Bini_Krista.
Congratulations! For our next winner, it's you at Kyle DMO4. Congratulations!
Next winner naman ay ang at KB_B16.
And for our last winner, it's you, the one only Jemmy. Congratulations! If you see your name or social media on the screen, please proceed po sa left side ng stage ngayon na.
And to our winners, please make sure po na dala nyo ang inyong mga phone so we can verify po na kayo ang nag-post. Also, magdala din po ng ID, approach our stage managers so they can assist you.
Thank you and congratulations. Grabe no ay, grabe po Miss Jonah. What an unforgettable day. From the games to the glow, hanggang sa kilig at tawanan. Talaga naman lahat yan mas naging special because of you, our besties and dear bosses. Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat?
Nag-enjoy kayo! Pero bago natin tuluyang magpaalam, let's hear a few words from Fiang herself para sa lahat ng dumating at sumuporta ngayong araw. Fiang!
Okay. Hello, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa Dear Face X Piang, collaboration ng Dear Face. Ayun. Sensya na kayo, medyo matamlay tayo ngayon dahil tayo ay may lagnat. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa akin. Di lang sa akin, sa kanya din. Huwag kayong magsasawang sumuporta. At sana hindi kayo magsawa sa mukha namin. Kahit ako mismo sa sarili ko, nagsasawa na ako sa mukha ko. Go. Pag ayaw na wala, papablatter ko kayo. And maraming salamat sa inyo. Always remember who did?
Kaya naman ang pahinihintay natin, let's all party!
Ala, let's party pala!
Di ba, clappers, everybody?
Tayo tayo lahat!
Tayo! Everybody stand! Party! Say wow! Wow! Di ba, clappers?
Pwede kayo sumangat, makitayaw sa amin, come on!
Everybody is calling! Team up!
Wow! What an epic flash mob! Ang saya naman talaga, besties and dear bosses. Thank you so much. You all definitely brought the energy and the glow.
And as we reach the end of our program, we just want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for being here today.
Maraming salamat for all your love, excitement, and of course for making this celebration truly unforgettable.
And please share with us your photos and videos. Post your favorite snaps from today's Dear Face X Fam meet and greet on social media. And don't forget to tag us at Dear Face PH on Facebook and TikTok, and at Dear Face PH Official on Instagram.
And of course, don't forget to tag Miss Jonah as well at Jonahia or JONAHIAH on Facebook and Instagram, and at Jonah Season Ramos on TikTok.
And
Make sure, to use our official hashtag, #DearFace, #DearFaceXPiang, #BeautyMilk. This has been your host. I'm Kevin Montiliano.
At ako naman po si Ayi from the Hideout Comedy Bar and Voice Comedy Club.
Keep spreading that winning glow to all our guests. The fun is not yet over. Please stay for the meet and greet and wait a bit as we set up our stage.
Kaya manatili lamang po muna tayong nakaupo while we prepare for the meet and greet. Lalapitan po kayo ng mga ushers para palapitin sa side ng stage.
Yes. Thank you so much. Alright, at this point, Miss Jonah, Piang, and JM, please stay on stage for our photo op. And also, besties and dear bosses, we're also taking a quick break before the meet and greet with Yang. Please stay in your seats and relax for a bit. We'll be back shortly, so don't go anywhere.